Today I will talk about the chime. The chime is the Canada hydrogen intensity mapping experiment. It was launched in 2017. The main part is composed of 4 cylindrical dishes, antennas, engines, and 3 subcomponents. This project was built by the Canada National Investment and is located in British Columbia, Canada. Its effective mapping frequency is 400 to 800 MHz. The purpose is to draw a 21 cm natural hydrogen characteristic map in the largest space measured so far. This feature map is used for studying the speed of expansion of the universe, dark matter, and cosmology. The location of the chime is in the Autonomous Territorial Radio Astrophysics Station of British Columbia, Canada. Chime's goal is very huge. Its observation frequency range is 400 to 800 MHz. It completes a 3-dimensional density map of elemental hydrogen for studying the expansion history of the universe. The design of the chime. The first picture we can see the chime is composed of 4 cylindrical mirrors, 20 meters by 100 meters facing south. Each cylinder has 256 antennas. Each antenna can receive radiation from a wide range. This range is almost 180 degrees. The second picture is the F engine. The F engine is housed in 2 shielded 20-foot containers between the 2 cylinders. The F engine can digitize each signal input 800 million times per second. The third picture is the X engine. X engine is housed in 2 shielded 40-foot containers to the east of the cylinder. There are 15 refrigerator cells racks with 128 compute nodes in each container.